हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सरल इंग्लिश एट साखार इंस्टीट्यूट। कोई आपसे कहे कि क्या तुमको ड्राइविंग आती है, आप कहेंगे आती है, तो सबसे पहले आपसे क्या प्रूफ मांगेगा? वो कहेगा शो मी योर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस। वेरी गुड। कोई आपके कहे आर यू सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री? यस। हाउ वुड यू प्रूव हिम? Obviously you'll show him your आधार कार्ड। So कोई आपसे पूछे क्या आपको इंग्लिश आती है, तो उसका आप कैसे प्रूफ करेंगे? Obviously you'll not provide a degree, कोई आपका कोई पेपर डिग्री नहीं होगा to show that you know English or that you're very fluent in English. Your degree is your tongue. So English में जब हमें बताना है, जब हमें अपने आप को ही प्रूव करना है कि yes I am good enough in English and I am fluent in English, obviously तो आपकी टंग को चेक किया जाएगा। और टंग को खाली अकेले नहीं चेक किया जाता है, बिकॉज थिंकिंग प्रोसेस होता है सारा माइंड में। तो हम ये बेसिकली टेस्ट करते हैं कि माइंड और टंग के बीच में कितना कोऑर्डिनेशन है। आर यू टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन थिंकिंग एंड देन स्पीकिंग, या आपका थिंकिंग और स्पीकिंग एक बार में हो रहा है जैसे आपकी अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज में होता है। So today we are going to do for certain questions which will be multiple answer questions. वहाँ पर we will have to give multiple answers to a single question. और उसमें हमारा मेन टेस्ट क्या होगा कि आप रेड सिग्नल पे रुक रहे हैं कि नहीं, आप ग्रीन सिग्नल पे चल रहे हैं कि नहीं, आप ऑरेंज लाइट पे थोड़ा धीरे हो रहे हैं कि नहीं। मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपका माइंड और टंग कितना कोऑर्डिनेशन में है और वो कितना आपस में एक दूसरे को सिंक्रोनाइज कर रहा है, और आपस में कितना हाउ योर माइंड एंड टंग आर एबल टू फंक्शन टुगेदर। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Why is he not able to pay his EMI? He's not able to pay his EMI because he lost his job during COVID. He's not able to pay his EMI because he suffered a huge loss in shares. He's not able to pay his EMI because he's spending a huge amount of money on his father's cancer treatment. He's not able to pay his EMI because he hadn't calculated his expenses properly. Rather, it was quite unwise on his part to take a loan. Why were they not attending the classes? They were not attending the classes because they were preparing for annual function. They were not attending the classes because they had gone out to celebrate a friend's birthday. They were not attending the classes because it was raining cats and dogs. They were not attending the classes because they all were working on their projects. They were not attending the classes because they were on a strike against the teachers. They were not attending the classes because the syllabus was complete and they wanted some time to study themselves. Why is he looking so tired? He's looking so tired because he was working for hours together in the scorching sun. He's looking so tired because he went quite early in the morning today and hasn't eaten anything the whole day. It was his sister's marriage a few days back and he has been doing a lot of running around since then. Maybe that's the reason he's looking so tired. He has been working in night shifts for last 10 days. That's the reason he's looking so tired. His mother is admitted in the hospital and he stays with her all night and doesn't get much to sleep and rest. That's the reason he's looking so tired. Why has she refused to come for the reunion? She has refused to come for the reunion because she is out of city. She has refused to come for the reunion because her child is admitted in the hospital. She has refused to come for the reunion because there is a function in her family and she can't afford to miss that. She has refused to come for the reunion because the reunion is not in college, it is in Goa. She has never been in touch with anyone much after passing out from college. Maybe that's the reason she has refused to come. She has refused to come for the reunion because none of her close friends is coming. Why were you scolding him so much? I was scolding him because he almost ran into a man while driving the car. I was scolding him because he had misbehaved with his teacher. I was scolding him because he was arguing with me unnecessarily in front of my other employees. I was scolding him because I came to know that he had not been taking his medicines for last 10 days. I was scolding him because he was not returning my money. I was scolding him because he had not informed me before taking the leave. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the session, and whatever questions we have covered, like why is he not able to pay his EMI, why has she refused to come for the reunion, or any other question like why were you scolding him, clear? So I have given you certain answers, fine. तो आप क्या करेंगे mainly? You will also try to give certain reasons, or you can add on to these answers. आप इसमें कुछ और answers add कर सकते हैं, and you can definitely write in the comment box, which I would definitely appreciate, fine. और ये जो हम आंसर दे रहे हैं फॉर एवरी क्वेश्चन, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सेंटेंसेस सिर्फ यहीं पर यूज होंगे, विच आई कीप रिपीटिंग इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल माई वीडियोज, फाइन. दिस इज जस्ट वन वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग your feelings or the situation. The same sentence can be used in 1,000 different places, fine. So please listen to the videos, follow the videos regularly, and please share the video as much as possible, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.